Trinidad and Tobago was badly affected by Tropical Storm Karen on Sunday, September 22nd, 2019. My heart goes out to the people of Trinidad and Tobago. I haven't seen a report of any life being lost as yet, but then you never know. It's just past. Hopefully it stays that way and there were no fatalities. Trinidad and Tobago is no longer under the tropical storm watch, but the storm keeps moving towards the north. So I do have a report to tell you what is going on with the storm and where it's heading. Reports are that Tropical Storm Karen formed early Sunday morning and Tropical Storm warning has been issued for St. Vincent and the Grenadines, along with Grenada and its territories. Karen is about 105 miles northwest of Grenada, with maximum sustained winds at 40 miles per hour. Tropical Storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area. A tropical storm watch has been issued for the U.S. Virgin Islands and parts of Puerto Rico. Karen is forecast to continue moving to the west-northwest direction Sunday away from Windward Island and will move across the eastern Caribbean Sea Sunday night and Monday. The storm could bring enough rain to cause flash flooding and mudslides, especially in the mountainous areas on Windward and Leeward Islands. Karen is expected to pass near or over Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands on Tuesday as a tropical storm. On the other side of the Atlantic, a low-pressure system a few miles southeast has a 90% chance of developing to a tropical depression or tropical storm overnight, Sunday or Monday, heading generally westward of the Atlantic at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Trinidad and Tobago is no longer under the tropical storm warning. Okay, so the storm is moving north or northwest rather, and it's heading towards Puerto Rico, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and the British Virgin Islands. So if you are in those areas, if you are in any of those islands, our country, nation, you just gotta hope and pray and prepare as best as you can. Try to get to the ice ground, and if you know you live in areas that are prone to flooding, you gotta move out, evacuate immediately. And keep update with the weather. Keep update with the reports. I would suggest that. And Trinidad, you survived this one, and that's good. I would only imagine that after the storm, things are not back to normal yet. So maybe the reports are coming in slowly. Like I said earlier in the video, I haven't seen a report of any deaths, and I hope it stay that way. Once again, my heart goes out to Trinidad and Tobago. Hopefully, you can pull back from this one.